All right, so Primplife merchandise. All right, so even though the Primplife plan is a nonprofit, we do have a for-profit subsidiary, which is Primplife LLC, which is all about the merch. So even we are a lifestyle brand catered to young girls, especially young girls of color. And with that, so we have products that do the same thing. So there's t-shirts, apparel, Primplife cosplay meaning costumes for children. They can have the Primp Girl costumes, and our new product, which is a big hit, our vegan lip gloss. Great for kids and adults, actually. So that's what the Primplife merchandise is all about. They can find their inner Primp Girl and their inner confidence using and wearing our product. And we will have new products released as time goes by, but right now the lip gloss is a big hit. So click shop now below just to see what all we have in store and see what you can get your hands on. All right, thank you.